Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to use Chatgpt to summarize any web page and easily find any related material to that web page. So, for example, let's say you want to summarize this particular web page, which is from Motley Fool, and the title says the biggest stock market crashes in the history. So you have a video here and some information about stock market crashes throughout the history from 1929 to 2020. So our goal of this video is to summarize this website and find any related material to this web content. So the first prompt that we should be using is something like this. Let's say, summarize this, and this is the link to that web page. Press enter, and you'll give like a few sentence summary of that web page. And so as you can see, this is like very brief and it's not enough. And you want to expand on this. So let's improve our prompt to something like this. Show me this information in point format. And this would have a few points describing what's in this web page. So as you can see, this is a bit longer than the previous answer that is given to us. And let's say you want to go one step further. We want to find other related web pages that's related to the content that we've already seen on this website, on this web page from Motley Fool. So let's improve our prompt to something like this. Give me related articles in a table format. Press enter, and then the Chatgpt will automatically find related material to the content in that web page, and it's in a table format. And let's go another step further and say, give me links to these articles. Add them to the table in a new column. So Chatgpt will add another column and give the link to that particular article. Easy stuff, right? So I hope this helps you. And please comment in the comment section with any interesting prompts that you are familiar with, and I will do videos on those as well. And also I'll like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.